Alright, we are live. Oh, that sounded like crap. Alright, we're doing a game of Pitbike tag with a four-wheeler. Alright, who's it? You're it. He's coming back around. We're throwing back around now. What, where are you going, bud? See ya! If he's looking, he might be able to hide. I don't know. He could totally see it. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh my goodness! That scared me so bad! Oh my goodness! I think he might have hurt himself. Oh my goodness! Oh, this might be a trick too. Are you okay? The battery did not die. Turn on the gas line. Second year Willie. Just keep giving it gas. We're having technical difficulties. Oh, there you go. Woo! I knew it! I knew it! Bud! Must suck for you! You're in again! Oh. We're back and back around! We're getting in here. He's gonna be too good! Woo! On top of the shit! Okay. Oh, alright, I think he's not bad. We're stopping on top here. Going this way. Up here, like so. And back up. Hey, you bub. Woo! My hand. Hey! Alright. That would be a perfect hiding spot. Watch this. If I could hide him there, maybe we should just let him tag me. Ow! He got me! Oh my goodness! I'm gonna let you go this time because last time wasn't very fair. He He thinks that we're going that way, so we're not. Oh, I think he's catch up to him. Oh my goodness. He doesn't know what he's doing. Oh no, not in the water! Oh my goodness, this is a big hole right there. He doesn't know. Oh! Okay, you're it. Okay, I got close enough. That's kind of sketchy. He can go through here. See ya. I know he's coming. Oh, did he wreck? Oh, no, he's fine. Oh my goodness, he went up that. Oh, he didn't mean to. I know he doesn't. You okay? Was you trying to? Yeah, you have to go straight. Oh my goodness. Yep. Is it still recording? And we're still recording. Ty, you need a helmet. Oh, we can go get one, but you're crazy. Sorry, bud. Maybe next time. Man, that was a good job. Oh, almost made it there. I've made it there so many times. That four-wheeler will go fast if you give it gas. That kind of rhymes. It'll go fast if you give it gas. He's gonna stay right there. He's gonna stay right there, and we're gonna try to sneak. He can't see. I don't think they care if I ride. I do mow their yard sometimes. He's still sitting right there. Oh my goodness. Huh? Oh. You always try to get me like this, but it usually never works. I don't know. I see a little pack. No, I'm not. I'm not in it. I'm dodging them. Don't step in it. Don't step in it. Okay, I didn't hit really. I mean, I feel like I can just kind of like step on this, and that's fine. Okay, maybe that's fine. Okay. too early. Whoa, that was kind of radical. Kind of dangerous, but kind of radical. And she's home. I hope she didn't see me. I hope she didn't see me. Or watch this video. Man, I'm like rhyming today. Maybe I'll make a song. Here he is. The sneaky fella. Good. We're gold. Go right here, because oh my goodness, he's right there. Oh, he saw me. I know he saw me. Oh, he did see me. He did see me. He's gonna think that I lapped around. I guarantee it. Awesome. We're turning, right as a highway. I wanna ride it all night long. Woo! Man, I wonder if I could get on top of the pool deck. That's not a good idea. Imagine going into the pool. Oh, I'd be in some deep trouble. I did that. Maybe we should let them know where I'm at. Too over here. Man, if I was in first, I would have had you. Hey, you want to trade? Here, we're gold.
Still recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Is it in first?
The Pitbike. Okay, I'm it. Look, you made it. You're killing trees. Oh my goodness, look at that. Tree. Barely dropped the floor. I don't even know why I would let him drive this. Last time he raked it into the barn. And don't let him fool you. He'll probably edit this part out. Alright, we're good, right? Henry, chill, bro. Chill. Oh my goodness. If for some reason this video like randomly dies because my GoPro like to do that, thanks for watching. This has been really cool. But if not, if we're still going, we're still going. Man, if we had another one of these, it would be so fair, but it's really not that fair with him, you know, on his four-wheeler. It's slower. I mean, he can go faster. It's just, I don't know. I mean, I can catch up to him. I'm gonna catch up to him. I'm on a Pitbike, bud. It's a little faster. Oh my goodness, he's shaking his ass at me. Oh no. No. We still got air. We're Gucci. Brake still works. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna have to take that out. I've hit that so many times this year. Not even funny. Alright, we're gonna try to jump. Okay? Okay. I feel like I run faster than that 4-wheel. Honestly. He's gonna try to go around the barn. I'm gonna try to lead him to the barn. Oh, he's gonna try. No! We're not even playing around no more. High five, bub. Hey, that counts, you're it! Dude, that's sketchy. I don't even like being that close. Who's it? You it or me? Oh my goodness, don't run me over! What the fuck? Oh my goodness. I got you. What up, my dude? Oh my goodness, you knew. Oh my goodness! Look at him! I feel like, you tell me who won, but I feel like I kind of won this one. I think we call it game. We'll let them decide if we win or not. No, we're done. Where is it? Ugh. Good game, bro. Play again with you some other time. No, you're not riding that. You're too dangerous.
I crashed it twice now.
Yes, that's what I told them. My goodness. Well, we're going. Make sure you like and subscribe. This video was like my favorite. Dude, that was a good video. Peace.